I'm Dan, the training guy over here at Loxo. Welcome to the Talent Intelligence Platform. If you're new here, this is the one video you'll want to stick with. By the end, you'll understand how to run searches using the Loxo Workflow, the repeatable process that turns individual effort into consistent, scalable performance. Most firms already have a process. The real question is it repeatable? Is it visible? Is it scalable? A consistent workflow is what makes your data powerful and your recommendations stronger over time. As we walk through this, compare it to your current process. You'll quickly see why firms that adopt the Loxo workflow are so successful. This video focuses on the foundation, not every button or feature, because mastering the workflow is how users become power users and how firms achieve talent intelligence by design. Let's start with the basics. Create a job by entering in the job title, the hiring organization, and the location. So I'm going to type in software engineer. We'll say it's a job at Apple. And we'll say it's a remote job. That's it. Click continue. From here, you've got two paths. Path 1, if you already know what you're looking for, start with simple Boolean. Enter in 2 or 3 true must-have keywords with "and" to dial in accuracy right away. So I'm going to type in the Boolean box up here, Python and Ruby as an example. Once you see the first batch of results, then add filters, but only the ones that are absolutely essential. Filters cut people out, including strong matches, so use them carefully. One quick pro tip, make your location as broad as you reasonably can. Location and filters work in the same way, they're binary. They either truly matter or they don't. If they're not deal breakers, feel free to skip them. If you're not sure about must-haves just yet, and you want to cast a wide net, start with natural language search. Simply type in what you're looking for, and then check the results, and then refine the search if needed. You can always adjust the NLS query or add a couple of keywords into the Boolean box above, and keep tweaking until the results feel right. When the list populates, ranked by relevance thanks to our AI system, this is where you'll shift into evaluation mode. The system learns from everything you do, so every search makes the next one even smarter. Move through the candidates person by person. It's a simple yes, maybe, or hide decision. Click yes if they're a great fit. Loxo will automatically grab their contact information and add them to your short list. Click maybe if you're not sure yet. They'll go into your long list. As you compare people, this is how you sharpen your sense of what good versus amazing looks like for this role. And click hide if they're just not a good fit for this job. This keeps them out of your view so you don't waste time reviewing them again in the future. Be methodical and go page by page. If your results are not quite right, adjust your Boolean and or filters until you hit that hot pocket of talent. It takes patience, so give yourself permission to keep refining until you do. Once you find that hot pocket of talent, stick with it and stay in the zone. A great way to do that is by working in focused 15 to 30-minute sourcing sprints. When you stay disciplined, this process absolutely works. Think about targeting 200 to 300 people for your long list when the role allows it. You won't reach out to all of them, of course, but long listing enough people keeps the process in place. And this step is also how you build a powerful database that compounds in value over time. Once you've gone through both your internal data and Loxo's proprietary database of hundreds of millions of people, switch to external sites like GitHub, Wellfound, job boards, or other specialized directories. Use the Loxo Chrome extension to pull candidates straight from the web into your workflow. Click the Add to Database button on the Chrome extension for a quick add, or drag in a PDF resume. Once your shortlist is ready, you don't need to message people one by one, although you definitely can if you choose to. Set up an outreach automation sequence ahead of time. You can let AI help you if you wish, as it will grab key details from your vacancy to write a multi-stage outreach campaign for you. And you can tweak it as much as you like before you make sure it's turned on down here at the lower right-hand corner. Then you can start to drag your chosen candidates into the stage with a linked outreach automation. Loxo handles the follow-up for you while you move on to your next search. Give it a day or two, and then pull more candidates from the shortlist into outreach if you still need responses. Keep going until your interview slate is full and the hiring manager moves towards an offer. Loxo uses hundreds of trusted data partners to enhance and update our proprietary data set, including sourcing the best personal contact information that exists publicly. Because all contact data ultimately comes from public sources, no platform can find 100% of people or guarantee that every record is up to date. If something's missing, it's almost always because that information simply isn't publicly available. Keep building your database along the way. That's one of the biggest keys to long-term success. As your candidate list grows, managing candidates is simple. You can drag and drop people into the right pipeline stages or add activity notes that automatically trigger stage moves. It keeps your workflow clean, organized, and always up to date. And that's your workflow. Create your job, source inside Loxo, refine until you hit your hot pocket, work in focused 15 to 30 minute sprints, shortlist methodically, and use automations to keep things moving. As you become more advanced, explore tools like Loxo Boost for job board posting, or use our AI note taker for interviews, among many other great Loxo features. But for now, mastering this Loxo workflow will give you compounding returns that only get better over time. Happy matchmaking!